In this video, we will be showing you how to install our Big Hitch products 01 to 07 GM long box stock bumper 2-inch receiver. First, you'll unhook the factory receiver hitch wiring. Then remove the factory receiver hitch bolts. Then once the bolts are removed, you can remove the factory receiver hitch. The factory mounting holes in the frame will need to be reamed out to 5/8 of an inch to accept the new hardware. Once the holes have been reamed out, the new hardware can be inserted. Now you can install the new receiver with the new hardware. Snug all bolts up first, then torque to 150 foot-pounds. Finally, you can secure wiring and attach the trailer plug for easy access when towing.